Hey boo kitties, hey boo hey, what's good y'all? It's the girl with the guy's name, 5 Forehead Gang, you know what I'm saying? And I am back with another video teaching you how to edit and flex and slay all on your iPhone 8, all on your iPhone 8. Make sure that you subscribe and click that notification bell because I'm going to be uploading daily. And make sure that you click that link in the bio so that you can purchase your very own physical copy of YouTube Queen Manifestation to Monetization Planner. If you are struggling to reach those monetization requirements, this is for you. If you are an aspiring YouTuber looking to launch a branded business channel and to monetize that, make sure that you click that link in the bio. Now we're gonna hop right into Canva, and when you are doing this transparent text, you don't have to select a template in particular. You can honestly just use anyone that you like. So I ended up going with YouTube thumbnail, and we're gonna go into text, and I'm gonna click the text with the glow effect here. And pretty much, you guys, honestly, you can choose any font that you desire, whether it's calligraphy or all caps, all lowercase, your full name, the abbreviations, whatever you'd like. So I'm just going to adjust it here. And you don't have to make it small on this area. We're gonna resize it once we import it as an overlay in CapCut, okay? Because we're going to be using Canva and CapCut. So I'm just going to enlarge the text like so. And now we are going to download this image without the white background. And in order to do this, you want to make sure that you tap the download button. And you're going to make sure that it's on PNG and tick off transparent background so that it downloads as a portable network graphic. Then you're going to go into CapCut, and I'm using a video of Brianna and I go to overlay, add overlay, and I added this image. As you can see, the text was downloaded successfully without the white background, which is what we wanted, okay? Now, if you don't want a transparent background, this is what you would do. Now, I'm going to show you this next step on how to change the opacity of this overlay that we've just added. Now that we've added the overlay, all I'm doing is just elongating this clip so that it matches the end. And I'm going to tap the PNG we just added as an overlay, slide over to opacity so that I can modify the opaqueness of this graphic here. And you can do it to your liking, and there you guys have it. Super easy, super quick. You can also change the opacity in Canva and then download it, but you can do it this way as well, which is easier, I feel. And make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next upload.